Hi, I am Sauravi Biswas, and today we are inside the Quetzal Academy, which we are talking about Quetzal Air Hostess and Hospitality Academy, which we have initially started. Though our college is almost 33 years old, so we started this academy keeping in mind the grooming training program, which is very necessary for aviation candidates. Now, this course overall not only gives training for air hostess but also does a soft skill and personality development training program, and a course, as you can say, it's almost a 6 to 9 months program for outsiders. We also have a dual program, that's BBA Aviation and Cabin Crew, where we give the training program for 6 months. Now, what is there in this course? So basically, English fluency, soft skills, then a general about aviation, like we do have a couple of courses like travel and tourism, ground staff, air hostess. So based on that, few modules and also some aviation modules. I am the image development coach over here in Quetzal Academy, also the department head, and I think that's pretty much about Quetzal. So, and definitely in this era we know that aviation is a very lucrative and glamorous job, and the scope is increasing because after COVID we find a lot of airlines like very small airlines like Star Air, small and big both. Recently we had today Air India campusing for AME program. So with this help of the grooming training program, we assure that Quetzal Air Hostess and Hospitality Academy, our students will be groomed and more apt for the industry placements. And I think in the competition, a student's personality is the most, because see, even if we have students who have scored well, I think when there's 200 to 250 candidates, a company would be definitely looking towards grooming, and grooming is an important part of the aviation field, be it a AME, be it a pilot, be it an air hostess, or in any other case. And today's world, not only aviation, in any job you are well groomed, I think people looks up to you and you can manage more well. So that's all from me. Here Sauravi signing off. Thank you everyone.